To be young, gifted and strong, carrying hope where we belong. Lift your head and let it shine. Your soul was born to rise. Every dream inside your heart has been sacred from the start. Don't let nobody bring you down. You were made to wear the crown, young, gifted, and free. That's the way we're meant to be. Standing tall through every fight, holding on to truth and light. Young, gifted, and proud. Sing your song and sing it loud. Through the pain and through the past, your beautiful soul will last. There's a world outside that door, waiting for your spirit to soar. Every child deserves to know how bright their light can glow. Keep your faith and keep your pride. Let your soul be your guide. And one day the world will see the power of unity. Oh Lord, can you hear the people sing? Love and hope in everything. Hold your dream up to the sky. Never let your spirit die. Young, gifted, and free. Oh, yes indeed. Keep on rising. Keep believing. Thank you, Master, for another day, for the light you sent my way. When I was weak and feeling low, your mercy never let me go. You gave me strength when I had none, kept me walking through the storm. And I just want to thank you now for saving my soul somehow. Oh, thank you, Master, for my soul, for your love that made me whole. You kept me through the darkest night and filled my heart with holy light. Hey, thank you, yes indeed, for every blessing that I need. I may stumble, I may fall, but your grace still holds it all. You heard my crying late at night, turned my sorrow into light, put shoes upon these weary feet, and gave this hungry heart peace. Lord, I know I ain't been strong, still you carried me along. In every breath inside of me sings your love eternally. You kept me whole. Yeah. Talking about the ghetto, late night sirens crying. Dark streets, children walking with no shoes on their feet, mama praying through the night, trying hard to make things right. People dreaming just to survive, holding on to stay alive. Still the music fills the air, hope is hiding everywhere. The ghetto, talking about the ghetto, where the pain and the soul still grow. The ghetto, hear the people cry, still reaching for a better life. Inside the struggle remains a little love through all the pain. Street lights glow through the smoking rain, young souls caught inside the game. Everybody trying to be free, searching for dignity. Old men singing gospel songs, trying to help the weak stay strong. And every heartbeat in the night still to survive. Keep the soul alive. Talking about the ghetto. Oh yeah. Still living, still dreaming. Lord, these are trying times. Can you feel it now? Every street got somebody crying. Every soul feels tired of fighting. Brothers turning against their own. People feeling more alone. Children scared of what they see. Pain spreading endlessly. Seems like love keeps fading away. More darkness every day. Tell me how we lost the light, why we keep dividing lives. These are trying times, yes they are. Too many wounded hearts and scars. Maybe we could heal the pain if we learn to love again. But these are trying times, oh Lord. People forgetting what love is for. Maybe we could finally see we belong to one family. Turn on the news, hear the anger rise. Fear and hatred filling people's eyes. Everybody talking about equality, but nobody wants to plant the seed. Mothers praying late at night, hoping somehow things turn right. Still I believe deep in my soul, love can make a broken world whole. If we listen heart to heart, maybe healing finally starts. These are trying times, yes they are. Too many lonely souls in the dark. Maybe folks would suffer less if we gave each other tenderness. Oh, can't you hear the people crying? Can't you feel the world dying? We need mercy, we need grace, we need love to save this place. These are trying times, yes indeed. Too much hunger, too much greed. Still I know someday we'll find a little peace for all mankind. Trying time, Lord have mercy. Trying time, we still need love. remember when I saw your face shining softly in a golden haze. You took my hand so tenderly, like you already believed in me. And every word you whispered low felt like somewhere my soul could go. In your arms the world stood still, like a dream too real to kill. It was a dream floating through the midnight rain. It was a dream, love I could not hold again. Oh, your kisses, all your light faded softly in the night. Still I hear your voice call my name, like a beautiful dream. Every touch felt warm and true, like heaven opened when I held you. And every time our lips would meet, the stars moved underneath our feet. But then the sky began to cry, and slowly you just passed me by, like mist fading in the dawn. I reached for you, and you were gone. Just a ghost inside of me. Still your memory remains, falling softly like the rain. It was a dream, oh baby, a dream still haunting me. Lord, these are trying times. Can you feel it now? Every street got somebody crying. Every soul feels tired of fighting. Brothers turning against their own. People feeling more alone. Children scared of what they see. Pain spreading endlessly. Seems like love keeps fading away. More darkness every day. Tell me how we lost the light, why we keep dividing lives. These are trying times, yes they are. Too many wounded hearts and scars. Maybe we could heal the pain if we learn to love again. These are trying times, oh Lord. People forgetting what love is for. Maybe we could finally see we belong to one family. Turn on the news, hear the anger rise, fear and hatred filling people's eyes. Everybody talking about equality, but nobody wants to plant the seed. Mothers praying late at night, hoping somehow things turn right. Still I believe deep in my soul, love can make a broken world whole. If we listen heart to heart, maybe healing finally starts. These are trying times, yes they are. Too many lonely souls in the dark. Maybe folks would suffer less if we gave each other tenderness. Can't you feel the world dying? We need mercy, we need grace, we need love to save this place. These are trying times, yes indeed. Too much hunger, too much greed. Still I know someday we'll find a little peace for all mankind. To be young, gifted and strong, carrying hope where we belong. Lift your head and let it shine. Your soul was born to rise. Every dream inside your heart has been sacred from the start. Don't let nobody bring you down. You were made to wear the crown. Young, gifted and free, that's the way we're meant to be. Standing tall through every fight, holding on to truth and light. Young, gifted and proud, sing your song and sing it loud. Through the pain and through the past, your beautiful soul will last. There's a world outside that door, waiting for your spirit to soar. Every child deserves to pride. Let your soul be your guide, and one day the world will see the power of unity. Oh Lord, can you hear the people sing? Love and hope in everything. Hold your dream up to the sky. Never let your spirit die. Young, gifted and free. Oh, yes indeed. Keep on rising, keep believing. Thank you, Master, for another day, for the light you sent my way. When I was weak and feeling low, your mercy never let me go. You gave me strength when I had none, kept me walking through the storm. And I just want to thank you now for saving my soul somehow. Thank you, Master, for my soul, for your love that made me whole. You kept me through the darkest night and filled my heart with holy light. Thank you, Master, yes indeed, for every blessing that I need. I may stumble, I may fall, but your grace still holds it all. You heard my crying late at night, turned my sorrow into light, put shoes upon these weary feet, and gave this hungry heart peace. Lord, I know I ain't been strong, still you carried me along. And every breath inside of me sings your love eternally. Oh Lord, thank you for the rain and pain. Hey. Thank you for the healing rain. Thank you for my family and the faith you gave to me. Thank you, Master, for my soul. Thank you, Lord, you kept me whole. Oh yeah. talking about the ghetto. Late night sirens crying, broken windows, cold dark streets, children walking with no shoes on their feet, mama praying through the night, trying hard to make things right. People dreaming just to survive, holding on to stay alive. Still the music fills the air, hope is hiding everywhere. The ghetto, talking about the ghetto, where the pain and the soul still grow. Oh, the ghetto, hear the people cry, still reaching for a better life. The ghetto, late night blues, too many dreams left bruised, but deep inside the struggle remains, a little love through all the pain. Street lights glow through the smoke and rain, young souls caught inside the game, everybody trying to be free, searching for dignity. Old men singing gospel songs, trying to help the weak stay strong, and every heartbeat in the night still looking for the light. Oh. Can you feel it in the air? Broken hope everywhere, but the people still survive, keep the soul alive. Oh, talking about the ghetto. Oh yeah, still living, still dreaming. The ghetto. The ghetto. I remember when I saw your face shining softly in a golden haze. You took my hand so tenderly, like you already believed in me. And every word you whispered low felt like somewhere my soul could go. In your arms the world stood still, like a dream too real to kill. It was a dream floating through the midnight rain. Oh, it was a dream, love I could not hold again. All your kisses, all your light, all your like a beautiful dream. Every touch felt warm and true, like heaven opened when I held you. And every time our lips would meet, the stars moved underneath our feet. But then the sky began to cry, and slowly you just passed me by, like mist fading in the dawn. I reached for you, and you were gone. Was it love or fantasy? Just a ghost inside of me. Still your memory remains, falling softly like the rain. It was a dream. Oh, baby, a dream still haunting